Ever wondered if GrabPay is just another app for ordering rides or something more? You're not alone. Today, we're diving deep into the world of GrabPay and uncovering whether it truly qualifies as a digital wallet. In today's digital age, our wallets are evolving. We're moving away from bulky leather and towards sleek, smartphone-based solutions. But with so many options out there, from traditional e-wallets like Google Pay and Apple Pay to ride-hailing apps with payment features, it can be tough to know what's what. Grab, a popular ride-hailing service across Southeast Asia, offers GrabPay, a versatile payment system within its app. But does GrabPay simply facilitate ride payments, or does it possess the broader functionalities that define a true digital wallet? Before we label GrabPay, let's establish what a digital wallet truly is. At its core, a digital wallet is a software application that allows you to store and manage your financial information, think credit cards, debit cards, loyalty cards, and even cryptocurrency, all in one secure place. Beyond basic storage, a robust digital wallet should offer a range of functionalities. Secure payment processing, seamlessly and securely making online and in-store purchases. Peer-to-peer transfers, sending and receiving money to friends and family with ease. Bill payments, paying bills for utilities, mobile phones, and other services. Rewards and loyalty programs, earning and redeeming points, cashback, and other rewards. Financial management tools, tracking spending, budgeting, and even offering basic investment options. Essentially, a digital wallet aims to replace your physical wallet entirely, offering a convenient and secure all-in-one solution for your financial needs. Now, let's examine GrabPay through this lens. Ride payments, undoubtedly, GrabPay excels at this. It's the primary payment method for booking Grab rides, offering a smooth and integrated experience. Food delivery, GrabFood, Grab's food delivery service, seamlessly integrates with GrabPay, making ordering and paying for meals a breeze. Merchant payments, GrabPay can be used at a growing number of physical and online merchants, expanding its reach beyond ride-hailing. Peer-to-peer transfers, GrabPay allows users to send and receive money to other GrabPay users, a key feature of digital wallets. Bill payments, while not as comprehensive as dedicated financial apps, GrabPay supports some bill payment options, adding to its utility. However, GrabPay may fall short in areas like comprehensive financial management, limited features for budgeting, expense tracking, and investment options. Wide range of payment methods, may not support all credit cards, debit cards, or e-wallets. Customer support, the level of customer support for resolving payment issues or disputes may vary. Based on its current capabilities, GrabPay can be considered a hybrid between a ride-hailing payment system and a basic digital wallet. It excels at facilitating ride bookings and food deliveries, and its peer-to-peer transfer and growing merchant network enhance its digital wallet credentials. However, GrabPay lacks the depth and breadth of features offered by dedicated financial apps specializing in digital wallet services. GrabPay is a valuable tool for users of the Grab ecosystem, offering a convenient and integrated payment solution. While it possesses some core digital wallet functionalities, it's not yet a complete replacement for a dedicated financial app. With said, thanks for watching, and until next time.